2 new items now available at Costco. These are cool items that can definitely be used in the car detailing industry, but really we're just getting that spring, summertime, and I think these are awesome products that you should consider getting for your camping trips and all that kind of stuff, just all your outdoor activities, as well as backup power for any power outages. So item number 1 is going to be from FEIT, F-E-I-T, electric. I could never know how to pronounce that. I think it's FEIT. But it is this awesome 2,000 lumen rechargeable LED work light with tripod. Why do I like this thing so much? Well, first off, it's fully adjustable and again, comes on a tripod. It's only 4 feet tall, so keep that in mind. If you're looking for something taller, this isn't the choice for you. But it is a fantastic light with 3 different power modes and then 2 different light variations. So you can change it from a warm to a dark colored light. Let me go ahead and show you guys that right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it on. There's 1, 2, and 3. And then you also have the change of color temperature. Here you go. So cold there and warm there. Now this tripod seems pretty well built. The legs don't snap into place when they're down, which was a little concerning to me, but actually makes sense because when it's sitting here, these are just there to stabilize. It doesn't seem to actually need to snap into place. This is how it normally stores, and in order to release them, there's just a little button on the bottom. You just press, bingo bango, and it slides right down very, very easy. Then there's 2 little collar adjustments. You can loosen those both up, and the whole thing extends out. Another really cool feature about this is that is kind of like a torch. You can use it like, you can set it up outside and it's gonna give you light 360 degrees, right? It's on each panel, which is really nice. But if you wanna use this for car detailing or whatever else, if you wanna have extra light on a panel when you're doing correction, this thing is incredible because this is fully adjustable, meaning that you can turn these like so and just have all of the power going directly to the panel where you're working. And again, with the 2 color temperatures, really, really cool. So you can kind of look at both ways to see if you're missing anything in your paintwork. And the last thing that I really like about this is that it actually screws off. It's a normal like tripod mount. I don't know what the exact size of the screw in portion is there, but standard tripod size. So you can take it around. You can also even take it on the bottom. If you look closely, you can see magnets, so it's magnetic. Let me see if I can show you guys that real quick. Let's see if it'll, yep, there you go. They don't feel super, super strong to me, so you'd want to be careful and make sure it's a really good, secure spot to put it. But it definitely does magnet to whatever you need to. And then if you don't have that option, there is a little hook that's a little bit difficult to get out, but then you can hang it from a tree or whatever else you need. So I'm gonna be using this around the shop. Now again, I have the really nice, really expensive scan grip lights for my car detailing needs, but I'm gonna keep this as a perfect backup, and then also when I go camping. This thing is gonna be awesome to be able to just put up and keep light around the campsite. It also comes with a nice zippered storage pouch, which is nice. And then they do advertise it is rechargeable. Again, there's no external battery here. It's just rechargeable, you plug it in. At 2,000 lumens, when you have it on full power, it has a runtime of 2 hours. At 1,000 or medium, 4 hours. And if you have it on the lowest setting, it says that it'll run for 9 hours. So really, really cool item here. Check it out, guys. This was like 49 bucks or something like that at Costco. So again, for just like a spotlight type of thing when you're working on cars, paint work, you can go with one like from Home Depot or whatever. They're usually around 100 bucks, or you can go with the scan grips, which are more. This is gonna get the job done for you at 50 bucks. I think this is a really cool item. Now moving on to item number 2, and that is this guy here. I actually went to Costco originally to go pick up one of the Goal Zero little battery powered, solar powered generators. And I wanted to do some testing with that to see what you can achieve for your car detailing needs with that. But I went and they had these guys on an end cap, like a brand new display. And this is a phenomenal, phenomenal value. Now, they have 3 different options for you available at Costco, along with some solar panels as well, if you want to use this, like, again, while you're camping or whatever, to charge it. However, the descriptions weren't very good. I finally figured it out, and this one at $7.99, $8.99, $7.99, was the Delta. Now, I went on EcoFlow's website, and they actually have 2 variations of the Delta. They have a 1300 and a 1000, just depends on the output that you're looking for. And on their website, the 1000 is on sale currently for $7.99 also. The 1300 is on sale for $9.99. So I was like, well, is this even a really good deal? Well, I actually did a little more research for myself, and on the box, it states Delta $1,300. So again, on the EcoFlow site, it is on sale, but this unit is $9.99, and at your local Costco right now, $7.99. So fantastic, fantastic deal here, guys. The big thing about EcoFlow, I guess, I haven't done a ton of research on them, but the big thing is that they charge very, very quickly. They say you can get a full, from 0 to 80% in like an hour, which is very, very fast. And I did a little test. I opened the box, plugged it in. It was at 30% when I first plugged it in. And from 30% to 80%, it took 40 minutes. So very, very good there. And then to go from 80 to 90, it took an additional 20 minutes. And that was my concern. I was really thinking, man, yeah, to 80%, it's probably gonna be fast, but those last 20% may take a long time. Well, again, 20% to get to 90, and then only another 10 minutes for the 100%, and then it was done. It was fully charged. I'm very impressed with those charging numbers. That's very, very quick. Now you do have AC and DC on this thing, so you can plug in, you know, regular outlets here, 110s, and then on the other side you have all your hookups for like USB and all that kind of stuff. It does have a nice bright digital display here, so I like that a lot. And as you can see, all the readings that you need are there. So it's showing 99 hours, it's at 100%, so and then depending on what you're plugging into this thing, I guess it tells you, you know, what your output is and all that kind of good stuff. So I will definitely be doing a more in-depth review of this, and especially putting it up to some car detailing needs. I know that these things will typically list like, oh, it'll run a microwave for this many times, or it'll run a refrigerator for this many hours. And that's awesome. And for backup generators and everything like that, that's awesome to know. And that is definitely their target market. But I want to know, can I put this in my van and take out my generator so I don't have to have any gas fumes or noise? Will that work? And with this size, I'm not expecting it to, a lot, right? But I'm definitely going to be doing a deeper dive into this and testing it with vacuums and seeing what kind of runtime I get out of a vacuum, which has a lot of draw, as well as a pressure washer and all that kind of good stuff. So make sure you're subscribed and stay tuned for that, because we will be diving into this thing more. But that's it for today's video, guys. I just wanted to bring you a quick video to show you these 2 new items from Costco that I think are really, really cool. So definitely go check out your local Costco, see if they have them in stock at your store yet. If not, they should be coming in. I'm assuming, you know, spring, summertime, these are perfect items for that. So that's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Please make sure to like the video, make sure you're subscribed, turn on that notification bell, and we'll see you on the next one.